That tastes fucking amazing. I like a very biscuity base. What about the biscuit to cream cheese ratio? I've done 400 grams of biscuit, definitely more than you need, but I am also filling in a 23-inch springform pan, so this will really ensure that we have enough biscuit to give us a nice thick crust. I love a crust. The original recipe that I saw, I think only called for either like 80 to 100 grams of biscuit, but I love a crust. So we've done 400 grams, which is essentially 1 packet of digestive biscuit. I also like my base to be irregular. I like to have bits. It creates interest and texture when you're eating it, and it's just more exciting having like bigger chunks. I made another cheesecake a couple of weeks ago, and I absolutely love like the difference in texture, especially when it's like everything is combined. Like it just feels really nice in the mouth, and it gives you something more to look forward to. So I'm hoping it will work with this recipe as well, which I think it will work. I think this is also cute if you've got kids, like young kids, like 3-4 year olds, and you want to get them involved. They can like crush these smaller bits in their fingers. Like it's so cute. Nice. I think I'm kind of happy with that. This is a lot of biscuit. So because we have a lot of biscuit, we're going to do a lot of butter. So again, the original recipe calls for about 50 grams of butter, but I'm going to do about 100 grams. Just going to move this. So next, we're going to do butter. A mix of Le Pack and anchor butter. Nice. Let that vibe. Gonna let the butter melt down on a low heat. We're gonna work on our lemon. So now we're gonna do 2 to 3 lemons juiced. I want to have some bits of lemon in this. I love lemons, and I thought this will help to add to some of the acidity. There are some bits of lemon in there. Great. The zest. I've actually never zested a lemon before. This is not zesting how I thought it would zest. Clean that up. All of our lemon zest that we've collected. Take some of the bits. Just gonna pop that in there. Now don't worry if you have seeds in there, because we're gonna strain that out before we add it to the mixture. Nice. A cup of that. The recipe calls for light brown sugar, but we're going to use dark brown sugar. 15. That's like about 30 grams of sugar. Bring this back. We've got our... Oh, that smells so good. And then we're going to mix in our sugar. And I'm just gonna like mix this stuff up together. And if you feel like you need more butter, you can always boil. You can always melt some more butter. It only takes a couple of minutes, or you can put it in the microwave and you can do a mini taste test. That looks so good. It's so like crunchy. I feel like this is going to be a very good base. Okay, nice. So once all of that is nice and well combined, I'm going to put this to the back, and then we're going to bring our lined cake tin. Nice. And then we're going to just pour our mixture. Even that out. Take a glass and just smooth. They say to refrigerate the base. So this recipe calls for 350 grams of mascarpone. We're going to put it in the same bowl because this will help give the top layer a bit of crunch and a bit of flavor, and I kind of like the melding of everything in together, which is really nice. This is 250 grams on mascarpone. We're gonna do 500. This calls for 350, but because we have a lot of base, do 500 grams of mascarpone. Then it says, so we need 75 grams of caster sugar. Okay, we're gonna take our sieve because there are seeds in it. There are these bits that I quite wanted to have. So I'm gonna take the fleshy bit of the lemon and just pop that back in. And then it also said to add the zest. I'm gonna put our lemon zest in there. I think I did too much lemon juice. And then now we're just gonna blend. I want to make sure that you're also cleaning down the edges. It's still a bit too like loose, but I guess you just have to keep on blending. Oh, that is nice. Oh, mate, that is so good. This lemon. It actually did what it had to do. Whoa. These are stiff peaks, yo. That tastes so good. That tastes fucking amazing. Scrape that off. Clean up. This shit tastes so fucking good. This is like a lemon lover's dream. Like, it's so perfectly lemony. So lemony. Okay, and now we are just gonna dollop our cream on top. Take the tablespoon and just get in those areas. This shit is so freaking good. Woo! Oh, that is absolutely a delight. I'm like loving this. This is so lemony. Freaking love it. It literally tastes so freaking good. This is our finish. Gonna put this in the fridge. So tasty. I'm gonna just see if, is it for everybody?